Alright, so here we are on Andy's bushwhacking fucking series 2. Tonight we're going to learn how to cook classic Australian dinner. Now as you can see here, I got some barbecue wombat. This is a fucking big old kangaroo found on the side of the road, cooking him up pretty good. Now what you want to do with the dead old kangaroo, like it's already basically cooked from the side of the road, but you know, we just want to make sure it's even more cooked to give it that authentic taste. Fucking just flip that cunt over just like that there. Get that nice golden crunch. Look at that skin. I don't know if that's from the road or from the kangaroo. It could be a wombat and a kangaroo. Who fucking knows? Who cares? It all tastes the same. This was a fucking wallaby. Found it yesterday. Stick the dog onto it. If you have a look here, this is our savage pup. Look how vicious he is. He's a big savage dog. You know, he just slaughters anything, mate. Fucking, we're having a big old feast here tonight, just two of us, because I'm a fat cunt. I like fried wallaby. But what you don't want to do when you're cooking a feast is, you know, you don't want to make sure that you not cook it for too long. You know, because otherwise you're going to get rid of those roadkill flavours. You know, I really like the taste of the asphalt on the meat, you know. Fucking sweating it up a storm here. Anyway, that's it for fucking series 2. Back next season. See you again. Yeah, fucking Yawa.